My name is A.R. Rao, Chief Referee. I am international umpire. And this is the tournament Hyderabad Open, sponsored by S.V. Ramaya Memorial. Dr. S. Ramakrishna Garu from Vijayawada. 2.5 lakhs prize money. And hospitalities we are providing. And this is the first time in Hyderabad, seniors hospitality and lunch providing. And now entries from all over the India, almost except 1 or 2 states, 375 entries we got. And we are conducting in 3 venues. The main stadium is LB Stadium, Asif Club, and Surya Tennis Foundation, Boyenpalli. And the total participants, singles and double, total matches are 425 matches. And at the 4 days we have to complete. We are conducting best of 15 in the initial stages, and in the end we will complete the 3 sets. Thank you.
This tournament is instituted in memory of my father, who has passed away in 2012. S.V. Ramaya, my father, was a former police officer recruited during British time. During his 30 years of service, he has worked all over Andhra Pradesh, Northeast, all over India. He used to be a very adventurous person. As a student, he was a boxer. He was first in BA Philosophy in the university. He was the first graduate from his village. He shaped the destiny of the next of the generations, because I could play with his encouragement. I could represent the university. I could be the captain of the university team which reached semi-finals. And he also looked after both my children who played for AP State during late 80s and 90s continuously for several years. Jaydev, who won the under 14 nationals in the team at Chandigarh. Aparna, who won number of titles and was able to beat many players in the national ranks. Incidentally, they are also doctors. My son is an endocrinologist. My daughter Aparna is a psychiatrist settled in Australia. See, I am not a businessman. I am not an industrialist. I am able to sponsor this tournament because of 2 reasons. Only for the passion of the game, which I have been playing for the last 60 years uninterrupted. For the love of my father, and with the support of my family, particularly my wife, Dr. Vasundhara. Thank you.
Morning. I am Narasimha Reddy, Hyderabad Open Tennis Association President. Our team members are 18. We are conducting this tournament. Sponsorship from Ramakrishna Doctor, and we provided 150 members accommodation, breakfast, lunch, 4 days tournament. Last year we conducted 4 tournaments. This is the 2nd tournament. All players are requested to cooperate and success this event. Thank you very much.
Welcome to all the tennis fraternity players across the India. This year, Hyderabad Open Tennis S.V. Ramaya Memorial Tournament 2021 has been inaugurated today. This is a prestigious tournament conducted by the Kota with a strong organizing team behind it, headed by Nandyala Narasimha Reddy, me, Lagani Srinivas, General Secretary A.R. Rao, and we also have the very strong people like Ashok Garu, Anirudh Garu, Shivakumar Reddy, Sadasiva Reddy Garu, Manish, and many more very enthusiastic tennis lovers in this organization. I am delighted and pleased to say that the overwhelming response from across India is tremendous. It is fantastic to note the response from all the players. Even states like Assam, Nagaland states are participating in this event. Considering the tennis fraternity enthusiasm, we have been accommodated, all of them, with a wonderful hospitality in Hyderabad. People coming from various ages, 30, 40, 50, 60, and even 70 plus ages are delighted to participate in this tournament. So I welcome all the players from across India to take part in this prestigious event, and cherish these wonderful moments in your lifetime. All the best to all the players. Thank you very much.
Happy day everyone. My name is Ashok Swaminathan and I am the Vice President of the Hyderabad Open Tennis Association. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, it's love all time. This tournament is organized by the players and for the players. The tennis lovers who have formed this Hyderabad Open Tennis Association are extremely passionate about this game and have organized this tournament at a very prestigious location, the LB Stadium, which is the star-studded tournament of the country as of now. Unbelievable, as I would like to say. 400 plus participants, it's unheard of. Spread over 4 days. 425 matches or so to go on. It is going to be a festival of tennis. I wish each and every player the very best. May the best man win. And we hope to conduct many more tournaments, at least another couple more in this particular year. We are planning to do about 4 a year, and we hope that each and every tournament of ours will be successful, just like this one also, with all your blessings and patronage. May the best man win and the best team win. Thanks once again, and please do give in entries for the next tournament if you already haven't done so for this tournament.
Good morning. I am the Vice President of the Hyderabad Open Tennis Association. It is a great initiative by Dr. Ramakrishna Garu and even VVR Varma Garu, who are the main sponsors of the tournament. And Hyderabad Open Tennis Association has been formed with the prime initiative to conduct tournaments in Hyderabad, where it gives an opportunity to a lot of players who don't actually from even from remote areas where they don't get an opportunity to play. The idea is to promote tennis on a national level. We call it Hyderabad Open, but people from all over India have come and are taking part now, like even small remote areas like Assam, Nagaland, states from other parts like Maharashtra. People are coming and taking part in the tournament, which is a very great sign for tennis in future, and it even gives us a lot of zeal and enthusiasm to conduct such tournaments in future. And this is just the benchmark. This is just the starting point, and there's a lot of potential to improve. And it's being conducted in 3 days, and accommodation is provided for people who are coming from outside. And the response has been tremendous, where even more than 450 entries have been given of all categories. And we are hoping that this tournament will be a great success. And we're looking forward to conduct tournaments on a bigger scale, from making this as a benchmark, and hope we can reach that. And we have a very strong organizing team, and we hope we can do it, and more players will come and take part, and the same response will be given time and again. All the best to all the players, and may the best player win, and may the tournament be played in great sportsmanship spirit, and wish everyone all the success. Thank you.
I'm Shiv Kumar Reddy, Vice President of Hyderabad Open Tennis Association. Hyderabad Open Tennis Association created by Mr. Nandela Narasimha Reddy, who is the President for our association. Wonderful initiative for the tournaments. Myself, I'm an international white badge official. So initially he asked me to be a part of this event. Normally we conduct a lot of international events compared to my profession. So international events like being a white badge, I've been to Wimbledon also, 2017. I did as a line official in Wimbledon, and a lot of tournaments for All India Tennis Association too. So he asked me to be a part of this event. So I thought of it's a good initiative taken by him. I decided to be a part of this. I'm working as assistant referee for this event. This is one of the best events conducted in India. Probably like more than 400 entries. We have received more than 400. Total number of matches are 425 matches conducted here. 3 venues they are using. One is the major venue is LB Stadium and RC Club, as well as Surya Tennis Academy. This is one of the best tournaments conducted in India. 30 plus, 40 plus, 50 and 60. As well doubles categories too. And 70 plus is the doubles category. I hope this is going to become a big tournament for coming years, and I wish all the best to Hyderabad Open Tennis Association.
Hi, I am J. Venkatramana, legal advisor of this HOTA, Hyderabad Open Senior Tennis Association, and I take all legal issues, and I also assisted in framing bylaws of the association, and also I look after other law issues of this HOTA. Thank you.